Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check for plagiarism and AI detection in Google Docs using a free add-on. This is very useful for students, teachers, and writers who want to make sure their work is original. Let's get started. First, open Google Docs and load the document you want to check. If you don't already have a plagiarism checker installed, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. From there, select Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type in plagiarism. For this tutorial, I'll use plagiarism checker, and GPT detector. Click on it, then follow the on-screen instructions to install. Once it's installed, highlight the text you want to check. Then, go back to Extensions and find the plagiarism checker you just installed. You'll see two options, plagiarism checker and GPT detector. For this example, we'll choose plagiarism checker. The tool will process your text for a few seconds, and then the results will be displayed. You'll be able to see whether your content matches existing sources and whether it shows signs of AI-generated text. And that's it. You've now learned how to check for plagiarism and AI detection right inside Google Docs for free. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.